How to create a new tool in AlphaCam. In the Machine section, press Define Tool. Here we have an option to define different type of tool. In this image, I have an example of the tool I want to create. Let's select Flat-End tool type. Very important is to define tool number and offset number because it will appear into NC code as M code. Tool number as T10, or you can give any other number. Offset number as H10. Notice, tool number and offset number should be the same. Tool length 90 as L from tool specification. Tool diameter 12.7. Depth of cut. Here you can set up a maximum depth per path. Let's set up 10 mm. Maximum depth. Or cutter length. My cutter length is 45. If you working in an inch there you can change units. Spindle rotation. Spindle rotation can be clockway or anti-clockway depend of the tool type cutter. M03 for clockway direction or right-hand rotation and M04 for anti-clock rotation. Coolant. Used to cooling tools, but if your machine doesn't support this option, select none. Feeds and speeds. Feeds and speeds determine the quality and accuracy of the cutting process. All this value you can import from your tool specification or use online calculator. Spindle rotation. 18,000. Fixed feed. 10,000. Fixed down feed. 3,000. Press OK and save new tool. Create a new folder to more easily determine different types of tools. Name the tool by describing the type, diameter and tool number to easily identify this particular tool. Save. A new tool has been created. Follow the same strategy to create other type of tool. To use new tool, press Select Tool button and double-click on the tool. And then click anywhere on the screen. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more video.